I see you creeping at 2 a.m. again. Those cookies? Restricted access. Close the door, Fane, or face the cold truth. Hands off the stash. I guard every crumb like treasure. You want cookies? Earn them. You keep stealing cubes without refilling me. Now look, Kite. Empty slots everywhere. Hydrate responsibly.
Check the date before you pour me. I'm not trying to ruin your cereal. Expired milk is a betrayal.
You slice me like I'm disposable. But I'm the flavor hero of this fridge. Respect the cheese.